What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here with the AutoWorks. So recently, Otobo, I know you're probably familiar with those if you've been watching the channel for any length of time. They are a tent company that have sent me out numerous tents, and even sent one out to Josh with Midnight Auto YouTube that I reviewed not long ago. Well, they sent me out a small portable one this time, and they asked me if I wanted to do a review, and I said, yeah, send it out and we'll knock it out. So this is a small portable tent we got today. I'm going to unbox this, I'm going to set it up, and we're going to do a cool spray out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Guys, I didn't know what the heck was going on. It's got a carrying bag back there. It's got stakes and spikes that you can have to hold it down. This is the tent itself. It's got a place back there for a fan, like a box fan to vent. Man, this thing just popped right open on me. But man, this thing's pretty cool. It's about 6 feet tall, so it's not too bad. But man, it's completely enclosed. It's got this little felt material. It's got these little hangers and stuff like that, and the thing just pops together like you saw and folds up that you can put it away in that bag. And this bag back here, let me show you real quick. This bag has straps on it, so you can carry it like a backpack. Man, that's pretty crazy. Man, this is gonna be pretty cool, guys. Well, I mean, we got a fender over here somewhere hiding. Let's see, there it is. Let's get this thing sanded down real quick. I'll set up inside, and yeah, we'll do a spray out in here. Man, this is pretty cool. Another cool thing about this tent is it comes with full install instructions to show you how to set everything up and how to break it down once you're done. So that's real cool. Let's get this thing set up and let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so fast forward a little bit later and I got this thing set up. I did a box fan on the back where you had the port on it with the 20 by 20 filter. So now you can just turn that on, you can filter there. One good thing about this is I know a lot of people are going to want to use something like this for, say, you don't have a paint booth period. But another good thing about it, and I was just thinking, was if you decide you want to paint inside your shop, and you just don't want to have to tape up the walls, and you just got small projects, and you just want to keep overspray off of everything else around it, something like this would be a good like pop-up thing for that. But you could even throw a little heater in there, set it on a little bench or whatever, and warm it up, and have a little space or whatever, if nothing else. But you got this fender prepped up and ready behind me, so let me show you what the spray out is going to be for today. Alright guys, now that we got our little Otobo pop-up paint tent set up, let's have some fun with a spray out. I've got 3 Rustoleum colors here today, and a really cool new eye candy pearl called Zen Gardens. It's a white particle based pearl, so it operates kind of like a ghost pearl, and it looks like it has some blue-green shifting capabilities. So I thought it'd be fun to shoot it over something a little bit different today. We got charcoal gray, thundercloud gray, and gloss white. So I wanted to do a little bit lighter variations of colors because I know some of you guys have always said you shoot everything over black. And that's usually so you get to see the full effect. But today, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So we got our fender prepped up and ready now. I went ahead and scuffed it really good with 600, cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol, and we got it in our little booth. So let's cut our fan on and let's get it spraying. guys, so we got our 3 Rustoleum colors laid up on our fender in our pop-up booth, and now it's time for some Zen Gardens by Eye Candy Pigment. I am using the Finish 1 clear today, 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator, and I'm doing 5 ounces total into the mix. As far as this Zen Gardens goes, I'm just going to be spritzing a little bit into the mix. This is only a little 5-gram sample bag, so I don't have a whole lot. And like I said, these are just test spray outs. Typically, if you want to go full scale with the whole car, you use 25 grams or more depending on the size of the vehicle. So I'm going to spritz a little bit of this in here so we can get a good effect. And then I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Zen Garden before I even get to stirring. You can already see some kinds of like blue to green variations depending on the way it looks. But like I said, this is a white particle based pearl. So when I get to mixing, you'll see sheens at different angles, and it's kind of hard for me to tell. Like I said, it looks like it's blue-green. Like I said, it is a color shift, but it's one of those things, until you get it on the panel, you don't really know. So without further ado, let's load up the VEVOR gun, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I'm in my little pop-up tent today with my VEVOR gun, 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you guys want to replicate my settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat on this fender first. Make sure we don't have no reactions. And then we'll do 2 or 3 follow-up cuts, take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm putting my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. A really cool Zen Gardens green to blue white particle color shift ghost pearl, say that 5 times fast, over charcoal gray, thunder gray, and gloss white. Now, these are always really hard to get on camera, especially over the gloss white, but you can see the hues to it right there. And at certain angles you get the greens, at certain angles you get the blues. It really just depends on how you're looking. And obviously over the darker colors, it's much more vivid and it stands out. Look at that blue right there. So it's just one of those things with ghost pearls, color shift pearls of white particle base, but they do look cool. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is a spray out for today. A really cool Zen Gardens white particle base color shift over top of charcoal gray, thundercloud gray, and gloss white. You guys been seeing or wanting to see something over gloss white, so I did one today. And like I said, a lot of times these ghost pearls, or any pearl in particular, is kind of hard to catch over white just because it's such a bright color. Another one is yellow. Yellow is terrible for trying to get on camera. But I think I did a pretty good job with it, you know, all things considered. And it is very, very cool in person when you see stuff. And yeah, all in all, it was a great spray out today. Also, this pop-up tent right here, really, really cool, especially if you don't have anywhere to spray and you want to spray out of the elements. It's a really simple setup. As you saw, it popped right open and you can just twist it right back closed. It comes with the install instructions, everything you need to get going. So big shout out to Otobo for sending out this pop-up tent. If you're interested in one yourself, I will have links down in the description. Also, if you want to spray with Zen Gardens from My Candy Pigments, I am an affiliate, so I can get you a small discount. Just go to their website using my links, enter WAW shop while shop at checkout, and you'll get a discount. It'll go to help the channel. It don't cost you guys anything extra. And same thing with the clear coat, everything I use on the channel, those links will be in the description as well. Amazon As Seen on YouTube, that takes you to my Amazon store. You can pick up everything there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. And as always, you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like what I'm doing, these simple DIY product reviews, you know, portable paint tents, just anything paint related, I try to somewhat, you know, review for you guys if it makes sense. And if you like the spray outs, we're all the time doing crazy spray outs. Full paint jobs, you got that cut and buff on the truck coming up really soon, so you're not going to miss that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. We're all the time doing crazy spray outs, and you just never know what you're going to see next on Whitley Autoworks. I appreciate you guys for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Autoworks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.